Hello everyone, myself Samadam Bodke. In yesterday's or previous video, we have seen that how to draw a simple 3D object or simple isometric object like this in AutoCAD 2011. So in this video, we are going to see how to draw a difficult object which is having some circular part or rib like this object, circular part or rib or slot or inclined part are there. First of all, we will draw this object and we will go for this circular part object. First of all, this part we have used this AutoCAD. So first of all, you have to know that you have to go to change in the setting of snap and just go to the isometric snap. By default, that will be rectangular snap. Now just see the object. Now just see this distance is 100 and this distance is 22. So let us start 100. This distance is 22 and total distance 75 and this distance is 16. For observing the dimension, you can pause the video. So 75 minus this 16, that will be 59. So just draw 59, 15, and just we have to complete this box. So 59. Now just draw this line which is having dimension of 22, and we will just complete. Now this distance is 15, width is 15, so just repeat line, the distance will be 15. Now you can obtain this intersecting point by just drawing like this and trim remaining part, and you can draw this line by the dimensions. Dimension you can calculate this 100 distance, this is 15, so this distance will be 85. So this distance is 75 minus this 22 minus this 16, suppose, so this distance will be 37. So you can draw this 37 line and 85 line. For first drawing or first obtaining this object, we will just draw without this slot so that we can obtain slot after all. So just 64 and 22. So 22 already we have obtained, so we just have to F5 64, F5 22, and again to the starting point. We will later on draw this slot. So complete, first of all, complete this part. So this distance we know that 100 and this 15, so this distance will be 85, so this distance will also be 85 and this will be 37 as we have calculated this. So just draw this line F5 85 and this distance will be 37. For the obtaining this inclined part, we have to draw this intersecting line so that we can obtain this upward part or this part. So we know that total height is 75. Up from that 22 we can minus, so that from 75 minus 22, so or we can 75 minus this 22, so total height will be 65. 75 minus, we can use calculator, 75 minus this 22, so 53. Total height from this point is 53. So just we will obtain that point. We will just draw this line from this midpoint, 53. So just draw a line is having 53. So we have obtained this point. This point will be midpoint of this line. This line's midpoint we have obtained over here, this top end of this line. So now we have to calculate the length of this line. So total length is 64, so minus 64 minus this 16 and this side 16, so 32. 32, from that 32, so 64 minus 32, this distance will be 32. From that 32, 16 will from the left side and 16 will from right side. So just draw the line F5, 16 to this side, repeat line, and 16 to this side. Now just we have to join the end point. For joining the end point, we need not to change the plane. So we have obtained over here. So this width is 15. So just draw the line from this point 15. Repeat line again 15. 15. Now just you can imagine that we have to just join this end point. So this upward portion or top portion of this body is completed. Now you have to draw this rib and this slot. First of all, we will draw the rib. Now just delete this because we have drawn this for drawing this top portion. Now height of the rib is 40 and width is 70. So just draw a line from the midpoint in upward direction having height 40. Now just and in this direction having this bottom portion like this 70. Now we will just offset these both the lines in both side by the distance of 12 mm, that is 6 mm for the left side and 6 mm for the right side. So total distance of the rib will be 12. Now select the line, offset distance is 6, and to this side, to this side, to this side. Now this side to this side. Now you can see that offset is not clearly in linear direction, as we are also in orthographic portion. It will be in incline angle. So we have to just, in some cases we have to extend the line, in some cases we have to just trim the line. So first of all, just draw the line from this portion F5 to in this direction, a repeat line from this portion to this direction. Now in this end also repeat line this portion to in the direction, a repeat line from this portion to this direction. Now we have to extend the lines up to this line. So EX for shortcut for the extend, double space, just click on the line which we have to extend to line. Now extra part will be trim, TR double space, now you can imagine what we have to join. Now just join. Sorry, we have to join this end point to this end point. Now whatever part behind this rib which will not be visible, you can imagine, so we have to trim that part. Now whatever we can delete, now we will delete which we will not be able to see. Now with this we have to trim. Okay, this will be deleted. Now this small portion we have to trim for the accuracy. Okay, rib part is completed. Now you have to draw the slot in this object. Now just observe the dimension of slot. This object is this length is 60, which is upward one, angle is 60. As we cannot take the angle in this 3D object, we just assume this distance as a 15 and this distance will be 12. Now just draw the line from this midpoint in upward direction, F5. having distance 12. So this distance 30, so 15 and 15 to both sides. 15, repeat line, and again 15. Now for the clear understanding, we will delete this line and just draw a line over here having, we have assumed this distance, bottom distance. For this angle we cannot take angle, so assume this distance is 15, so 7.5 for at this end, repeat line, and 7.5 at the right side. Now just join and complete this slot. Now just join this extra part, complete object. Now this extra part we will delete, that we have obtained for the construction of this slot. Now for the 3D imagination, we have to draw this line. Extra part will be trimmed. Yes, object is completed. Yes, completed object. 75 total distance we have taken. In this way you can obtain this object which is having inclined part, rib and slot. In the next video we are going to see how to obtain or how to draw a circular part or circular slot with a square slot. Thank you. Thanks for